200 meters, turn right onto Shakarparian Road.
Dito sa Islamabad City, akala mo nasa probinsya ako kasi ang daming kakahuyan. Itong kalsada, yung mga parang on the way to probinsya na. May mga puno. Ay, ma-fog kasi sa labas, kaya hindi masyadong malinaw.
In 200 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
यहाँ पाकिस्तान मोनूमेंट म्यूजियम है सर, वहाँ पे तो मैं एक दफ़ा गया था, लेकिन यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं.
यहाँ पे ज़्यादा आते हैं. He's saying most people are coming here. This is for Pakistan Monument and the other one is Lok Birsa. Most of the things are here.
So, andito na kami sa Pakistan Monument. Sabi na nagbabantay, mas madami daw nagpupunta dito kasi mas marami kang makikita. Ayan na naman tayo. Sana it's not a prank this time kasi wala pa kami napupuntahan. Puro kami biyahe. What is this one? May mga tinda-tinda dito. I think we will like this one. Finally. But let's see. Yeah, I think 3. Third. No, this is the third place. Mag 5 na. Pakistan Monument Souvenir and Tuck Shop. Dito sa side na yan. May toilet.
Oh, this is the same place I know.
I think mag-take muna kami ng photos kasi habang may liwanag pa. Inside, that is the Monument Museum. They are open until 8 p.m. So, what is this, Han? This is also your first time to come here?
Yeah, this is Pakistan.
Look down.
Yeah.
Look there. Look right side.
Yeah. May mga mga sculptured na images. Kay Diasem. Mayroon ding fountain pero wala, hindi na siya nagana. Oh, there is a clown. This is what you're saying, clown?
Say to me hi.
Huh?
Clown, say to me hi.
You want to take a photo with him?
Okay.
Go. Say hi. They're giving candies. You have said thank you? Huh? You want to take a photo? Don't be shy. Han, let's take a photo in this side. Okay. Or Han, you can do it to them. Okay, someone... Picture ko daw sila. This is a photo? I'm not...
Then
You want another pose? Another pose? Is it fine? Like this? Okay. Do you know the history about this? That is Qaid-e Azam, the founder of Pakistan. There is also Faisal Mosque.
Along with Fatima Jinnah.
Fatima Jinnah is the wife?
Sister.
Sorry, sister.
The sister of Qaid-e Azam.
City view sa may likod. Yan yung gustong puntahan ni Kuya, ang museum daw. So, we're going to pay 100 rupees as entrance fee. Yeah, for adult. Pero yung mga children below 7 years old, they are free. Malamig dito sa Islamabad area, hindi lang sa Abbottabad, also here. So, tamang-tama lang talaga na nagsuot kami ng coat. Or please. Nakalagay dyan, adults 100, students 40 rupees. Pero pag foreigner ka, ay 600 rupees, ganun kalaki yung gap. Pero okay lang naman kasi meron akong Pakistan ID card. Kaya hindi ako foreigner. I'm a citizen now. Isa na rin akong ganap na Pakistani. Right, baby?
What?
Right? Have you seen that? There's just written it's 600 for foreigner. But I said I'm having a POC. Una na sina Kuya sa akin kasi excited na siyang makakita ng vintage car daw. What are
This is man who is just taking the cotton And this is that like we have imam like that. They have.
Pag mga pumupunta ko sa mga museum, talagang binabasa ko tong mga nakasulat. Para mas maintindihan mo siya talaga. What are these, baby? Go and check.
Where?
So that you will know about your history also. Okay, so this is the first war. Nabasa ko lang doon. Ito yung national poet ng Pakistan, Allama Iqbal. Yan. Idol to ni Bebe. Kasi nung nasa university pa siya, mahilig din siya magsulat ng tula. Best in poem nga daw siya tsaka naging poet of the year daw siya ng university nila. I thought there is someone who's really praying inside. Kasi parang totoong-totoo siya. It's having a good smell here inside. This is all about Allama Iqbal.
Look,
right?
fathers like this, they are American.
These are the books of Allama Iqbal. Itong mga to, English yan. Pero remaining mga Urdu na. This is the real quote of Allama Iqbal.
So far.
Oh, there is the shoes and also the rocking chair. No, it's a wooden chair. Right? This is Panorama Pakistan. So you can even sit there and watch. Kayaan ko na muna si Kuya na maupo dyan kasi hindi ko naman naintindihan. Tatanungin ko na lang si Habi later. Now this is also all about Quaid-e-Azam. So the sofa, table, office table, chair, mga coat niya. This is really belongs to him. Parang pag nakikita ko yung mga ganitong pagmamayari nila, parang buhay na buhay pa rin sila hanggang ngayon, no? Wow! Napansin ko lang yung mga dito ni ni Quaid-e-Azam. Muna siyang shalwar kamis nakalagay dito. Sabi ni Habi, he's wearing what is the sherwani. Or kung hindi naman talagang lagi siya naka 3-piece suit. This Quaid-e-Azam and Mahatma Gandhi. These are all belongs to him.
Yeah.
That time it was cheap.
Yeah, look at the doors of that.
What about me?
Do here, mom.
This one is really fit on me.
Do here.
Oh.
Written Abidullah Jan, this is Atikur Rahman, this is Shahzad Iqbal. Here it is Shirdili Al-Haj Muhammad Tariq.
What is this name, Baba Jani?
Yeah. Oh, this is Mehtab Muhammad, Mehtab Ahmed. And that is Tayyib Gujar. Today you enjoyed?
Look at the
What
face.
is this face?
He saw the limousine, he's saying that, wow, I just want to have a same limousine. Tomorrow, you will enjoy, inshallah. If you're going to wake up early, so we're going to visit a lot of places. One of those places, Joyland. Yeah, sabi ko na nga may pa-keychain. These are the souvenir here. Souvenir. Maganda rin siya sa gabi. Madami pa rin tao kahit madilim na kasi maganda pa rin siya. So, andito na kami sa Saber Food. Madaming kumakain dito. This is my second time. Pero nung unang punta na kasi namin dito, ang daming customer. Family area sa side na to. Hindi ngayon weekend kaya Hindi pa siya puno. Ang second floor ay family hall. We can even sit here. Fine, yes? Or if you want somewhere. Sabi ko kay Bunso, maghugas muna siya ng kamay. Kuya, go! Kuya, go and wash your hands too. Please. So, mag-order na kami ngayon. Madaming kumakain dito kasi bukod sa masarap, affordable din siya. Which one? So, ito na yung mga menu nila. Yan. Ito yung mga menu nila. Burgers. Naku, wag na tayo sa burger. Order na si Javi. How many minutes we're going to wait?
Huh?
How many minutes?
I haven't asked. So
Kasi
sorry.
last time nag-antay kami dito ng mga 30 minutes. Ang daming tao kasi weekend yun. Grabe. Tapos punong-puno tong buong area na to. Family area. Tapos marami pa silang, may peso pa sila sa baba. Tapos last time napunta ko dito, may mga nakita akong mga Filipino. Pero nahihiya naman ako silang kausapin. Kasi kasama din nila yung family nila. Kaya yun. Tapos naalala ko, nag-washroom ako dito. Ang tagal. Kaya sabi ko, hindi na ako mag-washroom dito sa Saver Foods. But this time, wala. Kunti lang din naman ang tao. So, ito na yung food namin. Madami nga. You can finish this, kuya? Ha? Okay. You need to ask for another extra plate also.
एक extra plate भी ले आइए.
Let's eat! My love, kumain ka na. You want more Lakshmi kebab? I can give you extra.
Yeah.
Okay. Kana he. Right? Kana he. Yan, tapos na kaming kumain. So, manonood na daw kami ng cinema. Excited na yung mga bata. Ang dami talagang kumakain dito. Yung kasi, ang balak naming panoorin is yung sikat daw na Pakistani movie at first time ding manunood ng mga bata ng Pakistani movie. What is the title? Mola Jhat. Okay, pero ang next na showing niya kasi is 10:30. Hindi na namin nabutan yung 7:15 kasi mag-8 na. Kaya naman, may pang 8:30 na Beekeeper ni Jason Statham. Come on, baby. Come on. Go first. First.
It's not like
How come it's not working?
No.
Give it to Papa now.
Look at that.
Doon na kami sa Centaurus Mall. Ni Kuya, dito daw, ang daming mukhang foreigner. Kasi kami, doon sa bungad pa lang, may nakita na kaming family of Chinese. Kaya yun. Pero sabi niya, don't worry kasi si Mama ay ano din naman. Ibang lahi din naman siya. Kaya hindi tayo naiiba. Okay?
This is ladies.
This is ladies. Go there. That is also for another for Jen.
What I have found beware of children. Look, she is a bad mom. Maja, Mama Jama.
So, yung beekeeper pala, hindi for adult only. So, hindi allowed yung mga bata. Kaya, parang no choice kami kundi antayin ang 10:15 para start ng Mola Jhat. What is the time by the way, my love? What is the time now?
10:15. Now it's 8:20.
Oh, 8:20 pa lang ngayon. Ang galing dito, no? Kasi pag alam nilang pang-adults lang, ganyan, hindi nila inaalaw yung mga bata. Hindi talaga sila nagre-release ng ticket. So, change kami ng movie na papanoorin. Mola Jhat na lang. It's Pakistani movie. Pero mag-aantay kami ng 2 hours. Hindi pala allowed ang magdala ng food from outside. So, kailangan bibili kami sa loob. So, kami ngayon ay magliliwaliw muna dito
And
sa
even
loob.
for children, there is no discount.
No discount for
Yeah,
children.
full ticket.
Nagpauto ako sa mga bata na akyat baba sa escalator pa sa time pass. Tumang-tuwa tong mga bata na to. Inunahan pa ako. Yan, habang nagpapalipas kami ng oras. Naupo muna kami doon sa harap ng McDonald's. Pero syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi kakain. Alam mo naman yung mga bata, parang takaw tingin lagi. Napabili ulit ko.
That one or this one?
Why? What happens on Alauddin?
What?
You can touch your nose. Show to them that yeah, you can touch using your tongue. Okay, show the camera. Show them that yeah, you can touch. Let me see your tongue, baby. Oh. Okay, twist your tongue. Another.
So this.
Oh, okay. And another one. Another side. Hindi ko alam kung paano practice ang ginagawa ng batang to. Kung ano yung mga kaya niyang gawin.
What you can do with it?
Sabi ni Kuya, kung sino daw makakagawa ng katulad ni Bunso, mag-send din daw kayo ng video sa amin o kaya mag-comment kayo. What else you can do, baby? What else? So ngayon ay papunta na kami. Pagkatapos ng mahaba-habang pag-iintay, it's 10 p.m. So papasok na kami sa sinihan kasi naboboring na si Kuya. Kanina pa siya nagtatawa kaysa mapagastos pa na mapagastos sa amin si Habi doon kakabili ng pagkain. We're going to enter inside na. 15 minutes lang naman na yung aantayin namin. Where is the ticket? To Papa? Mola Jan. Where is that? Mix?
No,
But it's so sweet. I want original only. Which popcorn you want? Mix? Or Walaikum salam. Only let's go for original. Right? Original is fine. What are the sizes? That is extra large? Large? That is the biggest one.
Only one size.
Okay, large then. How much large?
Large 450.
Okay, two large is fine, my love. Two large, okay? So, or one regular and one. You don't want to try the mix? Yeah, it's so sweet, right? Okay, I think it's fine. This is enough for now.
900 please.
900.
Number 9, 10, 11 and 12. Like mid set.
Okay, we are in the middle one, right? Parang kami lang yung kami pa lang yung nandito. Kami lang ata yung nag-book ng ng ganitong oras.
जो चेन दी थी ना बेच दी उसे पता चल गया ना तो करा दबा देगी मतलब मेरी चीज की बेच दी कौन सी चोरी करके बेची है
लड़का आ रहा है अगले हफ्ते इसका दिमाग बंद
Come na, baby. We came from there, Han. Han, I'm sorry, from this entrance.
No, it's cold.
It's so cold. No, over here. Cover. It's very cold. Okay.
Only 2 cars left.
Yes.
And then one is
Give me.
and on right side.
Give me now. It's okay? Kami na nga, ilan na lang yung sasakyan dito, naka-parking. It's pasado 1:00 na ng madaling araw. We enjoyed the movie and tapos na ang birthday ni Kuya. Now he is 12 years old, mashallah. Pauwi na kami ngayon. Siyempre wala na kaming sobrang lamig na, tsaka antok na ako. Tapos si Bunso naman kanina naiidlip na siya, okay? Allah Hafiz!